Welcome back to my third video of my Bronson bike build series. While the gas tank and rear fender are at the body shop getting painted, I started working on the front end by removing the front fender and wheel. I removed the speedometer cable and front brake caliper and hung it on the frame with a wire hanger. Then I removed the front forks by removing the caps at the top of each fork tube and the pinch bolts. But first I loosened the bolt at the bottom of each fork. I removed the shock components and drained the fork oil. I removed the fork dust caps and then the 2-inch longer fork tubes and replaced them with the stock length fork tubes. While the forks were off the bike, I took the headlight off. I mounted the chrome bait style headlight by using the chrome headlight mount. I put everything back together in the forks and reinstalled them with new fork oil. I installed Rancho shock absorber boots that I will need to cut shorter. I then reinstalled the forks, brake caliper, speedometer cable, and front wheel. I will leave the front fender project for the next video. In an effort to try to make this tribute bike more accurate, I decided to remove the turn signals because, as you know, the Bronson bike did not have them. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video and stay tuned for video 35, where I will continue the build process of my Bronson tribute bike. And as Bronson used to say, hang in there.